Some of you have an icon that looks like this. It says NEISD Application Catalog, and some of you have one that actually looks like this and says Software Center. I'm going to show you where this icon should take you. Once you click on that Software Center, it should look like this. And this is the notebook software that we want you to install. However, if it doesn't look like exactly like this, here's what I'd like for you to do. Go down to the Windows icon, scroll down to Microsoft System Center here, and there's a Software Center here. And what I'd like for you to do is pull that right up here, and you'll see mine is already there. And that way, whenever you come here, you'll click on this Software Center, and again, it'll take you to this, and then you'll install the the Smart Learning Suite 17.1. If you have that Software Center icon on your desktop and it's taking you to the old Software Center where you have to click on a link underneath the search bar to find the software, then you do not want that one, and you'll probably want to just drag that to the trash. You can use the application catalog. It will take you to the software that you need to install as well, but what we'd like for you to use is this one here. So again, Microsoft System Center, you can click and drag it right here.